Hello everybody, welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. If you are considering DUSOL for admission, then this video is very useful for all of you. Do watch it till last and don't skip it in between, and subscribe to the channel because I'm going to bring many more videos related to this, and already I'm uploading many videos related to IP and Delhi University. So actually this I have told you in the previous video that DUSOL admission process has started, means their forms are out, and now there may be various reasons if you want to get admission in this SOL. Means it's not so that only you have got less marks in 12th then only you should consider it. There may be so many other reasons also. Means if you want to do something else along with your studies, then you should follow this SOL. Means you can pursue your studies from School of Open Learning, or there may be so many other reasons also. So now let us see. First of all, you have to see which candidates are, you can say, eligible for getting admission in this SOL, School of Open Learning by Delhi University. So here you can see that all the candidates who have cleared their qualifying exam. Qualifying exam is here class 12th, because we are talking about undergraduate courses. Means you must have cleared your class 12th qualifying exam from a recognized board. Means you must have passed your 12th class from any recognized board, so you are eligible for this admission. So now we will see the various steps. So first step is that you have to log on to the official website of this SOL, that is sol.du.ac.in. it is written here. So first of all you have to log on to this official website. Then your second step will be register providing the required details. Means whatever details are being asked by the university, you have to fill those details in the form. So this process is also online, so you need not go anywhere. So your step 3 will be complete the application form for counseling, mentioning all the required information correctly. So same thing, means you have to fill that application form and you have to fill all the required information very carefully. Step 4 will be upload relevant documents and scanned copy of photograph and signature in the required format and size. So you have to upload your documents and scanned copy of photograph. Mind it that you have to keep your photographs scanned and your signatures should also be given there in the required format and size. Otherwise if mistake will be done, then you will be wondering ki what has happened, ki hamara form क्यों नहीं हो रहा. So be careful about all these things. And when all these things are done, means when everything is done, then only you will have to pay the application fee before submitting the application form. And how much fee you have to pay, that I have told in my previous video on SOL. Go and check it if you have not watched it yet. And now I will create one more video, what is the importance of SOL, whether it is good for you or not. So subscribe to the channel and share this video with others also, and don't forget to like it.